We'll guide you through how to use the green screen feature in Streamlabs for a professional-looking stream. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop and make sure you've logged in with your account. Once you're in the main dashboard, go to the Editor tab on the left sidebar. Here you'll see your current scene setup. Click the plus icon to add a new source, then select Video Capture Device if you haven't already added your webcam, and give it a name. Now, with your video capture device added, right-click it in your sources list and select Filters. In the Filters menu, click the plus icon at the bottom to add a new filter, and choose Chroma Key from the list. This is where the magic happens. You can name it whatever you like, and Streamlabs will automatically apply a basic green screen filter. You'll see options like Similarity, Smoothness, and Key Color Spill Reduction. Adjust the Similarity slider to fine-tune how much of the background is removed. If you find parts of your background still visible, increase the Similarity. Be careful not to slide too far, or you might start disappearing yourself. The Smoothness slider will help soften the edges around you, making the keying effect more natural. Use Key Color Spill Reduction to remove any green halo effect around you. If your background isn't perfectly green, you can manually select the color by clicking on the Key Color box and using the color picker. Make sure your lighting is even for the best results, as shadows can cause issues with the chroma key. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Close to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up a green screen in Streamlabs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.